Bollywood stars who cannot speak in English. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar himself confessed that he is not comfortable speaking in English. Akshay always prefers Hindi to communicate with his fans and audiences. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena was never studious student at all. For this reason, her English is not at all fluent. She can speak English, but she lacks the fluency, which is why she prefers Hindi more. Salman Khan. It is not that he can't speak English, but his English is not that fluent. Salman always prefers speaking in Hindi with people. Prabhas. He can speak English but not fluently. This is one of his weaknesses. For this reason, he can't converse with his audiences in Bollywood. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. His English accent is very poor. This talented actor is still trying to speak good English. Pankaj Tripathi. For this reason, his English is not that good. He can't even pronounce this language properly. Karishma Kapoor. She had no interest in studies. Her English speaking ability is not good. She prefers Hindi. Dhanush. Dhanush can't speak English properly. His English accent is very poor and sounds really odd. Diljit Dosanjh. Diljit is basically Punjabi and can't even understand English properly. His spoken English is very bad. Kajol. We hardly hear Kajol to speak something in English. She is always comfortable in Hindi. Rajnikant. Rajnikant couldn't get his education properly because of poverty. But this superstar actor still wants to learn English. This actor also knows other languages. Tushar Kapoor. Tushar Kapoor can't speak English fluently. His English speaking ability is not at all good. Govinda. Govinda is still learning English. He never tried to learn English properly. He always avoids talking in English and prefers Hindi as his comfortable language. Dharmendra. The veteran actor cannot speak English fluently, so he prefers Hindi to communicate with people.